Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add or change your bio on Discord. If you find this helpful today, don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, you can either use the Discord app if you've got that downloaded, or you can do it on a web-based version of Discord. It's all down to personal preference really, so it just depends what you personally use. In today's example, I'll be using the Discord app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across and open up Discord. And you can see, if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. And it's actually very simple to do this. All you want to do is just come down to the settings icon. So that's this gear icon down here, which is by your profile details. And then give that a click. And then if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you're going to want to do is click the second option down, which says user profile. And this is where you can actually go and add your profile information and your bio. So what you can do from here, you can actually change your avatar picture, and to do that all you need to do is literally click on to the picture here where it says change avatar, or you can click at the top here. You can also add a colour for your banner like so, and make sure when you make any changes you click the save changes on the pop-up that comes up at the bottom. Obviously it's going to give you a preview first of all. What you can do is add your own profile banner as well, but you do need Discord Nitro for that. And to actually add a bio to tell people about yourself, what you want to do is click in this box down here where it says about me, and you can put anything you want really. So hello, it's the Digital Tutor, and you'll see as I'm typing it's actually giving me a preview up here. And once again, you just want to go ahead and click Save Changes. And to actually change this or add anything to your bio, you just need to simply keep typing how is everyone doing? I like pizza. And you can see again that's added it to the preview up here, so I can see what it looks like. Obviously if I don't want to keep the changes, I would just hit reset, and that's going to take it back to how it was before I added anything else. But if I want to save the changes, then every time you make a change it's going to come up with this pop-up, and you just need to simply hit the save changes button down here. And that's it really, that's all there is to it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.